And one night as I closed my eyes, I saw a shadow flying. He came to me with the sweetest smile. Told me
cut off, you be spazzing on them hoes.
like word, like that. Always I will see.
Good on this. Like it might not, y'all might not see it at first, but once you get used to it.
Hey, yo, Wiley, play it again. Hey, Sam, run it out.
Ain't no love in the street, it was so cold every day. I told that fire right to the sky when I look.
Yeah. Growing my hair back out, y'all. Like I say in every video, so y'all already know. But I'm gonna go ahead and let her record me this time. So I don't gotta, go back and forth to the camera. King Jules watching TV, and I'm back at it with another one. Yeah, I got Bree outside with me today, y'all. Say what's up to the camera, y'all. I'm out y'all, my mechanic. Y'all know what's going on. We did a lot of upgrades to her since y'all been seeing, man. Over the time, I done got a new seat, new goddamn. Y'all know what's going on. New grips. I done finally put in. She look good. I don't see a lot of people outside. A lot of people normally do this for their KXs, they Kawasaki's and shit. They normally go with the lime green on the purple with the purple spokes. But it really looks good on this. Like y'all might not see it at first, but once you get used to it, it really looks good, bro. But I gotta put some new grips, and I'm thinking about going purple on purple. So I'm going on purple with the next ones. And I got some crazy on the way. I'm finna go ahead and go all black. And I'm finna throw my brand on here, y'all. I'm finna throw my Bike Life brand and my Bike Life crew. So Northside Cuddle crew gonna be on here with all the new merch and our new logo, y'all. Yeah, FSR. Y'all know what's going on. It's either gonna be Front Street something, or something. Y'all know what it's going. But I can't let y'all know, man. But yeah, today, man, this is what we got going on today, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and put in my Moto LED light, man. I got a new light on the way. Last night I went for a night ride and it was pitch black on this back road, man. And once I got there, it was kind of over with for the night ride because I had a passenger last night and I was riding passenger. I wasn't riding passenger, she was, but y'all know how that goes. Women don't like to be afraid. So we'll go ahead and put this light in today. Finally stop BSing, playing around. I'll get back to y'all.
Hood rush. I wanted to do hood rush. I wanted to do hood rush. I wanted to do.
So cold every day, I told that fire right to the sky when I look up, I wonder why. Lonely, my bros and shit, so real, I wanna cry. I owe that fire to me and mine, yeah, I'm gon' slide like do or die, it's you or I.